Welcome in, everybody. Russell here at nissanpartscc, and today we're going to deep dive into some gaskets, seals, unsung heroes of your Nissan from front to back, top to bottom. This is going to span from S-Chassis, Skyline, D21 pickup, Z-cars. This is going to go all over the place. Some of these gaskets fit just about every Nissan on the planet. First up, we're going to jump into valve cover gaskets. The one you see here is for an S13 SR20 DET. Part number is 1327052F00. Now, we have these for the SR20s, the RBs, the Z-cars, whatever. You name it, we probably have your valve cover gasket in stock. And let's face it, if you got oil seeping around your valve cover, you know what the problem is. Let's fix it before it turns into something you don't want it to turn into. For you guys who love to pull your motors and transmissions out, if you're doing a clutch job, something like that, this next one's for you. 12279-5L310. This is a rear main seal for an RB engine. Now, if you've ever had to replace these solely because you needed this, you know what a nightmare it is. So if you've got that transmission out, if you've got the motor pulled, if you haven't done this, within, your memory, I'd probably just go ahead and replace the thing while you're in there. And we stock these for just about anything. All right, next up, this is for the KE24 guys. This is part number 1523953F00. Now, if this guy starts leaking, you're going to have some big problems because it connects right to where all your oil is going through. This is for the oil filter housing on the KE24. It is like a paper type material. I'm not sure exactly what this is made up of. But if you're, tearing down your engine, things like that, you're definitely going to want to grab one of those. All right. Now, sticking with the theme of oil pressure, we're going to talk about gasket 13079-2J200. This is your timing chain tensioner gasket. This thing will fit everything between B14, B15, S-chassis. And yeah, if you have a leak here, you're going to bleed hydraulic pressure off of your tensioner, and it's going to cause your timing chain to rattle and stuff like that. All right. Probably one of the easiest examples of understanding when a gasket has gone bad is an exhaust gasket. The sound, what it sounds like, it's terrible. So let's jump right in here. We've got part number 2069265J00. Now, this is an exhaust pipe gasket. You can see it's a two-bolt flange. And then we've got the 1403640F00. This is specifically for the S13 D21 KA24E motors. Yeah, and going on down the line, I've got part number 2069151E0A. And these are just the little metal exhaust gasket rings. We stock tons of those. We have a filing cabinet full of small gaskets like this, and there's just folder after folder of these different sizes, thicknesses, things like that. All right, let's talk about drivability. Throttle body gasket. In front of me, I've got part number 1617553J00. If you've ever had issues with your intake system, anything on the intake system leaking, a gasket, being blown, things like that, it causes some drivability, causes your RPMs to dance around, things like that. Not fun. Jumping into the coolant system, water inlet gasket, 1305031U00. This thing fits the 350Z, the GTR. They have these on Titans. And then jumping over to your shifter gasket, you 240 guys know what this is. If you haven't ever replaced one of these, are you even a 240 owner, an S-chassis owner? But these fit under the shifter. When you pull your shifter out, it's easy to figure out. 3251603U11 is your part number. All right, up next, we've got the front transmission cover gasket. If you've worked on your 240, S-chassis, whatever, you know exactly what this is. Part number 3211208U01. Let's keep the fluid off your garage floor. Part number G2G1689900. Now, this is a glass dam seal, a little bit of a different type of gasket, but this goes on your windshield. So if you got issues with wind noise, things like that, and I know people aren't just going to taking their windshields out for fun. So if you need to replace some seals, if you got, trim moldings, things like that you're replacing, you're going to take the glass out, this is a good idea. Always put a new one of these on there. All right, guys, it was cool to hop back into some S-Chassis parts. We haven't done that in a while. If you need gaskets, if you have issues, if you're planning on working on your car, there's some gaskets that you just need to have on hand if you're pulling your motor out or you're going to start tearing into something, doing spark plugs, things like that. So hit us up. I got a link in the description for all this stuff. Shoot us an email, parts@nissanpartscc. That'll go straight to Tom, and he will answer any questions you have. And remember, always send your VIN. If you have your VIN, it helps us out a lot. If you've swapped a motor, tell us what you swapped. It just saves time. It reduces the chance of us missing your email, or I'm sorry, us sending you a reply and you missing it and then you get mad at us. But that's it. Take care.